In this video I will show you how to enable new File Explorer with new Gallery section in Windows 11 Dev version easily. See Gallery and others features not enable. Download vivetool and install in C Drive System 32 folder. Download link below in description. Type CMD and run as administrator. Copy the text key and paste the text key, one by one, then press enter. See the features added successfully. Restart your computer. See new File Explorer Gallery and others features added successfully and working well. That's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.